How much further can you disrespect a kid? The bottom shelf on the candy machine. Again, I repeat, the bottom shelf on the candy. Let's just start this over. I'm going to give you a full synopsis. This is the hotel in Phoenix, Arizona, known as Red Roof Inn. This is the vending machine. Assorted snacks. Snyder's. There we go. Notice as we go down to children's eye level, what it is that we find. What the? What? Whoa. And there we have it there. Outstanding. This is how you respect a kid.